You'll need a few supplies for this sun hat. 2 metal 3/16" grommets in your preferred color, grommet tools, which are usually purchased with the pack of grommets, a hammer, a seam ripper, a measuring tape, fabric pens or tailor's chalk, ribbon or cord, or you can also do an adjustable cord lock. After you've made the sun hat of your dreams, you can start this hack at any time. Fold your hat in half at the center back seam. Measure the length from one side of the hat to the other to find the quarter points. Mark the quarter points by putting a small dot on the hat with tailor's chalk or water erasable fabric pen. Poke the point of the seam ripper through the quarter point marking on both sides of the hat to make a small hole. Place the grommet on top of the grommet base tool. Poke the grommet and the grommet base tool through the small hole on the outside of the hat as pictured, and hold in place. Flip the hat to the inside and align the grommet washer so it sits on the grommet base tool. The washer will be touching the hat fabric. Place the long skinny grommet tool on top of the grommet washer from the inside of the hat. Hammer the long skinny grommet tool to set the grommet and washer in place. Trim away any excess fabric from inside the grommet hole. Repeat all of those steps for the other side of the hat to add another grommet. Once you have both of your grommets added to your hat, you can thread a ribbon or cord through the grommets. And then you can tie your hat around your head or neck and under your chin to prevent it from blowing away and shifting. If you want to give your hat even more versatility, you can thread cord through the grommets and add an adjustable cord lock on the cord tail so you can easily adjust your hat. Thanks so much for following along with this little sun hat hack.